The liver of an Atlantic codfish is processed to produce cod liver oil. As a form of treatment, these pills are made from a particularly beneficial variety of oil. There are those who understand the significance of these pills and those who don't. The health benefits of consuming cod liver oil supplements, we will examine some of those effects below. When taken on a regular basis, what are the health benefits of cod liver oil tablets? For one, consuming cod liver oil frequently has been found in certain studies to speed up the healing process of wounds when used as an ointment. The ointment was tested for efficacy in a rat model of wound healing and was found to hasten the process. Therefore, it is thought that it may have a similar effect on people. Taking cod liver oil capsules on a regular basis has been shown to reduce the risk of developing atherosclerosis and subsequent coronary artery disease. The reason is, fatty acids in cod liver oil may serve as antioxidants. In order to prevent atherosclerosis and protect the blood from clotting, consuming cod liver oil tablets is recommended. Cod liver oil is a popular dietary supplement for people with arthritis. This is because cod liver oil has anti-inflammatory characteristics, making it a great supplement for anyone dealing with rheumatoid arthritis or any other type of arthritis. Taking cod liver oil on a regular basis may help those with arthritis. Because it contains omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidant vitamin A, good fats, cod liver oil can help prevent age-related macular degeneration. One of the most common causes of blindness in the elderly, taking cod liver oil supplements on a regular basis has been shown to reduce the risk of developing this condition.